You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, it's about Cash App and it's how you guys can add another debit card on your Cash App. Now, I'm going to be clear with you guys from the beginning. You can only add one debit card on your Cash App at a time. If you want to add another one, the debit card which you currently have, you need to remove that one, alright? Or even if you add another one, it's going to automatically remove the older one for you, alright? So you can only add one debit card on Cash App. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video, shall we? First step, open your Cash App and click on the profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Once you go over here, you want to go on versus linked banks. Once you go on linked banks, it's going to show you the debit card which you have linked, alright? Now once you see the debit card which you have linked, click on the debit card. Once you click on this, at the bottom you can see the two options where it says replace or remove. Now if you want to remove a debit card, click on it and it will be removed. But if you want to replace it and add another one, click on replace. Once you click on replace, a new window will open up where it's going to ask you to enter a debit card detail. So enter a debit card number. After that, it's going to ask you to enter a debit card's expiration date and a debit card CVV number. After enter that, basically on the next step, if the information you entered is correct, your debit card will be added on your Cash App. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how we guys can add another debit card on your Cash App or change a debit card. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos like this. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye, until then, stay safe and peace out.